A train! Or is it a malfunction? Or is it a malfunction?
Turn left onto Enterprise
It could
Boulevard.
be a malfunction junction, but
It is a malfunction!
is it just a malfunction junction?
Oh look, one gate's up! They're moving out! He's backing up, that's why!
Oh, he's backing up, huh?
On Ann Arbor Railroad!
Ann Arbor Railroad?
And Norfolk Southern train!
First time ever. First time ever for Ann Arbor Railroad.
I know why he was backing up.
That's cool.
Because he's getting off the switch.
Yeah, he's backing up off the switch, right?
Put your flashers on in case.
Just in case, okay?
What does that mean for a train? Do not go around the gate. Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
I know why he's backing up. Because there is and chicken haulers over there on the next track.
Are you sure?
It is. He moved up. Or is it because his bomb lights are on?
Yeah, come on, train. What are you going to do? That's all held up here. And it could be a different train, right? It doesn't have to be this one. There might be another one on the other track.
Is that why?
Uh-oh, people are running through the gate.
I know why. Are you allowed to? If like this?
Maybe.
Like if it's clear. If it's
I don't.
if it,
I
it starts to move, and then don't.
yeah.
It's clear right now. You are allowed to. And like this, right?
No, not really. You can get a ticket for doing that.
Only he's on the switch. That's why
He's on the switch, right?
he's sitting on the switch. And because there's another train, like on another track, and 2 tracks plus that another one. That's no. He's sitting on the switch, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
If like this, are you allowed to go around the gate
Not
then?
really, but when it's like this, if you check it out really good, you might be okay.
It's
See,
kind of rough.
there's your chicken haulers down there.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Or can you turn around maybe?
And these diners are down too.
Mhm. Are you gonna turn around one last time?
For what?
In case that train is gonna move.
Turn left onto Enterprise Boulevard.
Turn left onto Enterprise Boulevard.
Okay.
Just in case.
Continue on Enterprise
Turn right
Boulevard
onto
for
East
1 mile.
Alexis Road.
Hey, ow! That's it.
Turn left onto Mansinger Road.
He's coming.
Yep. Now you hear him.
Turn left onto Maidsinger Road.
Maidsinger Road.
Is that why? Daddy!
In Avenue, turn right onto Stickney Avenue.
Don't video on both of them or it will say. And quit.
Half mile, turn right onto
Don't video it on both!
Why?
Or your iPhone 6 will say, Daddy, don't video on your camera too. Because if Caleb is videoing it on your iPhone 6, that's okay. Only one video and recording at a time.
Just one at a time?
Turn that off. Then you can and do this videoing. But why was he on the switch sitting there?
I don't know.
Is he ain't gonna pick up in those chicken haulers?
Maybe.
What, they're closed? He is slowing down, is he?
Yep.
First time ever on Ann Arbor Railroad.
Yeah.
And then are you serial?
We don't see trains on Ann Arbor Railroad very much.
I know why.
Why?
Because on Norfolk Southern train can't go out on this track, but not even on Ann Arbor Railroad train, no.
Yeah.
Is he slowing down?
Yeah.
Why is that one gate up? Because that no train is on. Is that on the CN track? Is your flasher still on?
No.
He's gonna stop! Did he? Is he?
Is he?
Look. And don't forget my medicine!
Glad you said that.
Do not hit on star, okay?
Okay.
And over at my.
I better see if I got a water. Yeah, I do.
Lad.
Good time to take it right now while a train's going by. Okay.
Fogling out. Okay?
What?
Fogling out. Got him?
Yep.
He is stopping. Ain't no chicken haulers already. Pick up in the chicken haulers. Is that why he stopped? Because of that one chicken hauler?
Probably.
Not yet. Another one?
Yep.
Another train?
Oh, I don't know.
Or is it the same horn?
I think it was the same horn.
And that green horn, you know what it says?
What?
Pool! Doesn't it say pool?
It says pool. Pool, that's cool.
Oh, it's 8 minutes.
Wow. That's long, right?
He's gonna stop!
No!
He's gonna stop. He stopped. He stopped! Did he? Did he?
What?
I know why that what that girl is doing.
What?
Waiting for. And she's waiting.
Is she turning around?
Why she's. Wait far enough. In case if you want to and turn around or not. Do you?
No. Why? Do we want to turn around? Which way do we have to go? To head back to...
Stickney Avenue is said on the map. You know how what you can do?
What?
And scroll it up. I will not even. But that with that road sign anymore. Put that out in 10 minutes, and you better turn around.
See,
Look.
we're on Matzinger Avenue. We're on Matzinger Road right now. Stickney is up there, past the tracks, and it says to turn right on Stickney Avenue.
That isn't right. Because you turn around.
Caleb,
That's why.
Caleb,
Because then you turn around.
you know what?
What?
This needs to be set to get back